If you look at this problem, the question is on arithmetic progression. Summation is given like this. From r is equal to 1 to 100 of a to r is equal to alpha. So I can write here a2 plus a4 plus a6 plus a8 plus so on up to plus a200, that is equal to alpha. This is what equation number 1. Similarly for this part, a1 plus a3 plus a5 plus a7 plus so on up to plus a199, that is equal to beta. This is what equation number 2. Do you follow? Now what we'll do? Equation 1 minus equation 2. Done. Simple. So a2 minus a1, I'll consider these two as 1 groups here. a4 minus a3, correct? Plus a6 minus a5, so on up to, plus so on up to, plus a200 minus a199, that is equal to alpha minus beta, correct? So ultimately how many terms are there here? How many subtractions are done? 100 times. So this is nothing but common difference, this is common difference, so on up to 100 terms, correct or not? Up to 100 terms, that is equal to alpha minus beta. So I can say 100 times d, that is equal to alpha minus beta. So your value of d is equal to alpha minus beta divided by 100 is the answer to the question. Important question, mark it.